Alrighty, for all of you looking for work from home medical billing jobs, I have two of them for you. One of them doesn't require a whole lot of experience, and the other one does require a little bit more experience. So we're going to jump right into them. The first one comes to us from a company called Zotech Partners, and basically they provide accounting services for the healthcare industry. Today they have an opening for a client bill representative, and this is a full-time remote position. You can live anywhere within the United States for this job. And I'm just going to scroll down this job lead to see if they tell us how much they pay, and I don't see it, so I had to do a little bit of research. So I turned to their profile on Glassdoor, and it looks like Zotech Partners has paid billing representatives anywhere from $17 to $22 per hour. Now there's no way I can guarantee that's how much you'll make. You'll have to work that out with them, but at least you have a starting point when negotiating your salary. So going back to the job lead, let's get into the details. So as a client bill representative, you'll be responsible for monitoring data entry of patient demographics and charges and reviewing accounts for additional information needed for monthly invoice billing. So that means you'll ensure the accuracy of charge posting for client bill accounts, monitor and release monthly invoices, and you'll direct contact with clients for online portal implementation. So to qualify for this job, they prefer you have some familiarity with medical records, and that's just preferred, that's not required. However, they would like you to have 1 to 2 years of medical billing knowledge. And notice they say knowledge, they don't say experience. So if you don't have any experience but you are familiar with medical billing, definitely apply for this position. And of course, you need to have great attention to detail skills, and you're proficient with Microsoft Office. They'd like you to have excellent written communication and organization skills, and you're willing and capable of performing varied tasks and adapting to change. You're comfortable working in a team environment, and you can exercise discretion and independent judgment in your day-to-day work. And of course, you need a high school diploma or equivalent. So that's pretty much it for this job. If this sounds interesting to you, you can find the direct link in the description below this video. And remember, this job has the potential to pay anywhere from $17 to $22 per hour. So that brings us to our second work-from-home medical billing job, and this one comes to us from Myriad Genetics. And just like the name implies, they provide genetic testing. And right now they have an opening for a reimbursement specialist level 2, and this is a full-time remote position. Even though they have a location listed as Salt Lake City, Utah, you can do this one anywhere within the United States. And I'm going to scroll down this job lead like I always do to see if they tell us how much they pay. They tell us at a minimum they'll pay $45,000 per year, which comes to $21.63 per hour, and at midpoint $51,800 per year, which is $24.90 per hour. And it is possible you could make more than that. So what are you going to do in this position? You'll work aged accounts that are 30 to 120 days, process appeals or corrected claims, research and reconcile credit balance accounts, and process adjustments as needed. You'll also interact with patients, clinicians, insurers, reimbursement supervisor, and billing management to ensure timely collection of accounts. You'll participate in the quality assurance plan and comply with appropriate CLIA and HIPAA regulations. Now, I said CLIA. I'm not sure if it's said as CLIA like HIPAA or CLIA. If you're aware of the most commonly way to say it, leave a comment below. Let me know what it is. They'd like you to have 3 to 5 years of experience working in medical billing, health insurance, or collections with demonstrated results. And they prefer you have insurance billing experience. You need to have good problem-solving and decision-making skills, as well as time management skills. You have excellent customer service, as well as excellent organizational, communication, multitasking, and teamworking skills. And they prefer you have a working knowledge of ICD-10, CPT, and HCPCS coding, and that's just preferred, that's not required. So this is job number 2. This one requires just a little bit more experience, and this one pays between $21.63 and $24.90 per hour. If you like this one, you can find the direct link below. This is job number 2. Alrighty, we just went over 2 really good remote medical billing jobs. Hopefully one of them works out for you. But if you're looking for something a little bit different that doesn't require a whole lot of experience, check out this video right here. Good luck to all of you who apply, and as always, thank you so much for popping in, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.